Я вновь приветствую всех, кто присоединился к нашей конференции, тех, кто смотрит нас онлайн, тех, кто потихонечку заполняют наш зал после перерыва.
Right, so we are filling up our conference room after the break. Why do we want to develop AI? Because we are inspired by the creative things. We want to create new things. We want people to give more time, people that work for the to develop groundbreaking solutions. We want to remove routine work from them and to provide them with technical capabilities. We gave the digital artist, Russian digital artist, a great experiment. Misha Most, he is a graffiti artist, and he is going to have an experiment. The art experiment, the generative neural network, the experience and the space for the street artist. So, what is your goal? I want to create Kandinsky 3.0, to create a huge street art mural, and I want to get the experiences and I want those who are present here to share their experiences, their emotions, and I'm going to take several hours to put this street artwork. Who is going to paint? You, technologists, meaning Kandinsky? Well, I'm going to put the task for Kandinsky, and I will try to make sure that this neural network makes my solutions, makes my decisions real, because I'm going to take the samples and to combine them, and this is what Kandinsky is going to do. This is a great idea. You have all the speakers 300 meters. That is the digital wall that surrounds this conference hall, and we're going to meet you very soon. Right, so you are getting to work. Now I looked at AIJ for the next speaker. How many people know what is a steganography? Now, some people know, but I had to look in the internet. That is the way to provide information, to conceal the information that you want to share. So there is a message that is encoded in the image, and the Doctor of Computer Sciences of the Technocrat University of Indonesia, Dedi Darwis, is going to have the floor now. The applications of neural network-based artificial intelligence in steganography.
Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Introduce myself. My name is Dr. Dedi Darwis. I'm from Technocrat Indonesia University. My presentation is titled this application of neural network-based artificial intelligence in steganography. This is my outline in presentation. So begin introduction of steganography, the need of steganography. My research project is about steganography, and then the last feature of neural network-based steganography and conclusion. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is steganography? Yeah. Well, steganography is the practice of hiding information within other information. It differs from cryptography, which is the practice of converting information into a code to keep it secret. Steganography has been around for centuries, but with the rise of digital communication, it has become more important than ever before. So, why it is so crucial in today's world? Let's find out. Okay, steganography is the art and science of writing hidden message or hiding message in such a way that apart from the sender and recipient, no one know or is aware that there is a secret message. You know, it is different from cryptography, which involves scrambling a message so that it cannot be read without a key. And then in steganography, the message is hidden in plain sight, making it difficult for anyone who does not know where the looking find it. One of the earliest examples the digital world, data security has become a major concern. With the increasing amount of sensitive information being transmitted online, it is crucial to ensure that this information remains confidential and secure. This is where steganography comes in. Unlike cryptography, which involves encrypting data so that it cannot be read by innocent data. This makes it much harder for hackers or other malicious actors to detect and intercept the hidden information. For example, imagine a journalist working in a country where freedom of the press is restricted. If they were to send sensitive information over an unsecure network, it could easily be intercepted and used against them. However, by using steganography to hide the information within an enclosed-looking file, such as holiday photo, they can transmit the information without arousing suspicion. This is just one example of how steganography can be used to protect sensitive information in digital age. Okay, this is my research project is related to steganography. Number one, a new approach of steganography using center sequential technique. This is an article published in Scopus 2019 years. Number two, my research project is related to steganography is comparison of least significant bit, or LSB, and pixel value differencing, or PVD, and modulus function on FF on steganography to measure image quality, storage capacity, and robustness. This is article published in Scopus 2020 years. And then number three, this is research related is steganography, a new digital image steganography based on center embedded pixel positioning. This is article published in Scopus 2021 years. This is article related to development article number one. And then my research project is related on steganography. Number four, combination of modified LSB steganography and human compression for data security. In this paper or research published in Scopus and IEEE 2021, and my research number four in related to research number two. Okay, number five, a new approach of steganography on image metadata. This is article published in 2022 in IEEE and Scopus. Okay, current year, current year, my research developing in application of neural network based artificial intelligence in steganography. This is I'm experimental to hybrid artificial intelligence using neural network in steganography. Yeah, this is research number 6. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you know, this is a method in steganography that are often used. Number 1, least significant bit or LSB. This is method using general steganography. Number 2, split spectrum steganography. And number 3, frequency domain technique. Number 4, adaptive steganography. Number 5, quantization index modulation or QIM. And the last, this my research and current year, neural network and AI in steganography. Okay, well, neural network and AI, yeah, this is neural network and AI. Neural network are a type of artificial intelligence that is modeled after the structure and function of the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes, each of which process information and send it to the next layer. And then artificial intelligence or AI refers to the ability of machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. Neural networks are just one example of AI, but they are particularly well suited for tasks that involve pattern recognition and classification. So this is artificial. This is for artificial of architecture of artificial neural network. So, ladies and gentlemen, neural network architecture consists of the 3 main components. Yeah, 3 main components. Number 1, input, and then hidden layer, and then output layer. The input layer is the first layer of a neural network and function to receive input data. And the hidden layer is the layer between the input and output layer that carries out the computing and data modeling process. The output layer is the last layer that produce prediction or output from the network. Yeah, this is in architecture of neural network in the general. Okay, what is neural network-based steganography? Neural network-based artificial intelligence has revolutionized the field of steganography by allowing for more sophisticated and secure method of hiding information. Using neural network, it is possible to create complex algorithms that can analyze and manipulate data in ways that were previously impossible. For example, a neural network can be trained to recognize patterns in an image and then use those patterns on hidden information. The network can also be used to extract hidden information from an image. This allows for much more secure method steganography than traditional method. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is advantage of neural network-based steganography. Neural network-based artificial intelligence has revolutionized steganography by providing a more secure and efficient way to hide information. The use of neural network allows for more complex and sophisticated algorithms that can better protect sensitive data. One major advantage of neural network-based steganography is that it is resistant to attack from traditional steganalysis technique. This means that hidden messages are less likely to be detected, making it an ideal solution for covert communication. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is message insertion process using neural network model encoding. Yeah. Okay, this is process. First process include cover image, cover not must be image. You can audio, video, or file PDF and another file digital. And then after include cover image, include secret image. Yeah, include secret image and insertion to neural network model. Yeah, this is AI. This is AI using neural network model. Next process, training data. Training data, for example, image processing in pixel by pixel. Yeah, pixel by pixel. This is training, and then loss function and stego image. Yeah. Include cover image, include secret image, neural network model, training, loss function, and stego image. Okay, this is pseudocode neural network in steganography model and process encoding. Yeah, encoding, decoding. This is process first encoding. Yeah, this is process pseudocode neural network. From programming Python, yeah, programming Python. This is input, output, and then you create procedure, yeah, the last calling procedure to main program. Yeah, this is process in model neural network in steganography to process encoding. Yeah. And then this is process to message extraction process using neural network model to decoding. Yeah, decoding. You know decoding? Decoding includes stego image process, stage 1, and neural network model, and then decoding process, and message merging, and the last process, secret message. Okay, this is pseudocode neural network in steganography, same as decoding, as encoding, yeah. Input, output, create procedure, and the last you call procedure decode steganography in main program. This is pseudocode to convert in Python algorithm, C++, and PHP, and another language programming. Okay, this is flowchart, encoding and decoding neural network in steganography. Flowchart is same in pseudocode. Yeah, this is process. Design programming, flowchart, and pseudocode is design programming, and then to implementation to your programming. Okay. So we conducted 3 experiments using neural network in image steganography, namely CNN or convolutional neural network. Experiment 1, experiment 2, LSTM or long short-term memory, and experiment 3, MLP, ya, MLP, multi-layer perceptron. We measure 3 aspects, namely encoding capacity, yeah, encoding capacity, and PSNR. PSNR, peak signal to noise ratio, and then the last experiment, SSIM, SSIM or structural similarity index. SSIM, same is MSE, yeah, MSE, mean square error. The first experiment, yeah, the first experiment produce an encoding capacity value of 25% and PSNR value of 45 dB, yeah, dB decibel, and SSIM in 0.98 dB, yeah. And then experiment 1, experiment 2, and experiment 3. The conclusion, based on this graph, yeah, based on this graph, it can be said that the neural network architecture using LSTM has better encoding capacity, while MLP has a better PSNR value, and for the SSIM value, the LSTM method has a lower value than the other method. Yeah. We also conducted experiment in steganography imperceptibility test. Yeah. Okay. This is a result of neural network experiment in on steganography, robustness test, image processing with crop. Yeah. Image processing, cropping, rotated image, Gaussian blur, and resize image, yeah, crop it, and resize image, rotate, and Gaussian blur. This is my experiment test in crop test, symmetry and asymmetry. Okay, this is application of neural network-based steganography. Neural network-based steganography has a wide range of application from digital watermarking to covert communication. One of the most common application in the field of digital forensic, where investigators use steganography to hide information within image or audio files. This can be useful in case where criminals try to hide evidence by deleting files and encrypting them. By using steganography, investigators can recover hidden data and use it as evidence in court. Application of neural network-based steganography and image metadata. Next. Yeah, application of neural network-based steganography and image data, for example, secure communication, copyright protection, covert data exchange, data hiding and medical imaging, and secure file transfer. Okay, steganography has application of neural network, based steganography in audio. Yeah, for example, secure voice messaging, copyright protection for music, covert audio data exchange, secure audio file transfer, and secure podcasting. Okay, this is application of neural network-based steganography in implementation to text. Yeah, secure messaging and email, confidential document sharing, secure code and programming, watermarking for text content, digital forensic, and data security. Yeah, this is a challenge in neural network-based steganography. One of the main challenges in using neural network-based artificial intelligence in steganography is the issue of overfitting. Overfitting occurs when the model is trained too well on the training data, resulting in poor performance on new data. This can be a problem when working with steganography, as the model needs to be able to hide data in a way that is not easily detectable, but also needs to be able to extract the data later on. Balancing these two requirements can be difficult and requires careful tuning of the model parameter. Okay, this is last presentation, feature of neural network-based steganography. As technology continues to advance, the future of neural network-based steganography look promising. One potential advancement in the use of deep learning algorithm to improve the accuracy of steganography technique. With deep learning, it might be possible to automatically detect and remove hidden message from image, audio, and text with greater accuracy than even before. Yeah. Another potential advancement is the integration of steganography technique into other areas or artificial intelligence, such as natural language processing and computer vision. This could lead to the development of new applications for steganography, such as secure communication between intelligent agents. Okay, conclusion. In conclusion, we have explored the concept of steganography and its importance in today's digital world. We have also discussed neural network and artificial intelligence and how they can be used in steganography to create a powerful tool for hiding information. The advantage of using neural network-based artificial intelligence and steganography are numerous, from increased security to faster processing times. However, there are also challenges and ethical considerations that must be taken into account. Despite this challenge, the future of neural network-based artificial intelligence in steganography looks promising. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more powerful tools for hiding information and protecting sensitive data. It's clear that this is an important area of research and one that will continue to grow in importance in the coming years. Thank you for attention. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights and experience with our audience. Steganography, one more difficult language word for me, but now I understand it a little bit more. Can we keep you for one question? Will the profession of stenographer change in the near future, and how relevant it will be with the introduction of neural network?
Yeah. Thank you for question. As technology continues to advance, the future of neural network-based steganography looks promising. One potential advancement is the use of deep learning algorithm to improve the accuracy and efficiency of steganography technique. With deep learning, it might be possible to automatically detect it and remove hidden message from your image, your audio, and your text with greater accuracy than ever before. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It was totally informative, and thank you for the important knowledge you gave us.
Okay,
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Дорогие друзья, я хотел напомнить,
Friends, I'd like to remind you that we thank our partners, Russian Railroads, the title partner of the Artificial Intelligence Journey Conference, our general partner, Samalot, Russian Direct Investment Fund, the investment partner of AI Journey. Then we thank Uralhim, our official partner, and a group of companies, Rusagro, the special partner of the conference, and also Tinkoff, our partner. I'd like to remind you, friends, that you now have a great opportunity to ask a question to the speaker.